Hi! We're doing something fun today. Look at me making something. And if you saw the title and if you click on this video, you obviously already know. But I'm going to show you. Oh. We're making masks. We're making masks. Like I was going to do last video. I was going to do it, but then I didn't know how. So I didn't. But as you can tell, I made one. So now I know how. It is currently, what time is it actually right now? It's 1:30. So do with that what you will. I'm tired. I actually tried to film this already, but I had a really bad headache and I was having a lot of technical difficulties with my sewing machine, which I probably will have again. But I don't have a headache anymore, so I'm not gonna get as mad. And I looked kind of ugly before. Well, not that I don't look ugly now. I just look better. And the energy just, it was off. It wasn't there. The vibes were off. But we're doing it again. So first step that you have to do, oh actually I have to make like a lot of masks, but I'm only gonna like show the process of making one because it's pointless to show the process of me making like 7 masks because it's just repeating it. It's the same process. So why would I show you the process 7 times? I'm gonna show you the process of one. This one, it's cute. It's actually really cute. This one's for my teacher's son. And I don't know if he likes camel, but he's gonna have to like camel because that's all I have. And I'm making one pair for my friend, and he's gonna be matching with my teacher's son because, again, all I have, camo. I actually have denim as well, but it's irrelevant. That's what I'm gonna be making for my family. So right now we're gonna make the mask for my teacher's daughter because she wants one for her too, then for my teacher, and then my family, then my friends. So yeah, anyways, we have patterns. I have already cut out the youngin patterns, the ones for the children. Those ones are cut out already. So yeah. So for my teacher's daughter, actually now that I think about it, this is pretty thick. I want to use a sweater. It's kind of thick. Kind of thick. THIQQ thick. Let me look what else I have. Oh yeah, also I had a headache because I have a caffeine addiction, and I can't drink coffee right now because my sleep schedule is very messed up, and I want to be able to fall asleep tonight, and it's already 1:30, and I'm not feeling the sleep hitting me nearly at all yet, so it's a little alarming. That's why I'm just gonna kind of make masks all night. Yeah, I actually pulled an all-nighter. I pulled an all-nighter 2 nights ago. I pulled an all-nighter because I need to finish my English assignment, and I finished it, and I think my best thought process is when I'm sleep deprived. So I was typing, and I was like, I was just doing it, and then I read it back, and I was like, kind of good. So, yeah. But yeah, anyways, I pulled an all-nighter 2 nights ago, and then I fell asleep the next day at around 3, and then I got up at like 6, and then I went to bed. I stayed up from 6 until 8 a.m. the next day, which was this morning. And I slept at 8 a.m. and I slept till 5 p.m. So I woke up today at 5 p.m. and I'm not tired at all because I woke up 6 hours ago. That's wrong. 8 hours ago? 9 hours ago. Oh. I still don't know if I did that math right. I've been out of school for too long. Anyways, what was I gonna do? I was gonna go, yeah, that's probably too thick. I'm gonna find a different material to use for my teacher's daughter because it's too thick. I'll be right back. So the first thing that you have to do, oh yeah, this is a tutorial. I need to like fix up badly. I wanted to have my teacher's daughter and my teacher's mask matching because I thought that'd be really cute for them to have like matching masks, but there's not gonna be enough of this pink, so sucks. But it's not necessary. So what you first have to do is you have to take, well, first of all, you have to cut out your pattern, but I already have it cut out because I made the first one. And then you have to take some pins, and you have to pin the cutout pattern onto the fabric that you want to use. This is gonna be like that and like that. So you need two. So what I have done is I folded it, and then I'm gonna pin that on top, and then I'm gonna cut out the fabric. Ay vey, why can't I do this? It's pinned on top, and now we cut. I'm sorry, and I apologize for the fact that you actually can't see what I'm doing, but like when I'm done doing what I'm doing, you'll see it. But as of right now, sight is just not a gift you were given for this video right now. Sorry, but it's just, my setup is horrible. Do you want to see it? I'm not gonna show you. I can't function right now. I'm not even tired. That's the worst part. I'm not tired. Like, I want to say that I'm tired, and that's why I can't function, but I'd be lying to you because I am wide awake. It took me a lot of self-control to not make a Katy Perry joke right there. A lot of self-control, but I didn't want to do it. So, anyways, let's talk about the fact that we did not see our families on Easter. Right now, today is... is it Monday? I think it's Monday. Technically, it's Tuesday because it's 2 in the morning. Anyways, it's weird not being with our families on Easter, right? It bothers me. I don't like it, but it's not like we have a choice to see our families. And I was thinking today, what if this happened during like Christmas time? You know? Like, imagine we couldn't see our families on Christmas. That would suck. But it sucks anyways right now. But anyways, I miss my family. So my uncle set up this thing with like Facebook. There's like this thing called like Facebook Messenger for kids. And what that is that it's Facebook Messenger for kids. If you're a kid, then you can download this and you can talk to other kids. I am impressed with this whole Facebook Messenger for kids because it's very safe. It was very hard for me to find my cousins on there because you can't message any kids without their parent allowing it, you know, which is really cool. If I'm a parent one day, when I'm a parent one day, like if I were to use this, then my kids can't talk to anybody without me allowing them to talk to them, and I could see all their conversations, I think. And yeah, and it's just really cool. So I was messaging my cousins on there. We're talking about what the Easter Bunny got us for Easter. But yeah, I was messaging them on there, and I miss them. I miss everyone. Happy Easter, everyone. That's all. That's the moral of the story. Happy Easter. Now I'm just still cutting out the pattern pieces. When I made the first mask, it actually took me, believe it or not, like 3 hours. But that was because of
technical difficulties with my sewing machine.
Which my sewing machine really shouldn't be having technical difficulties because it is a
heavy-duty machine.
So I just don't get it. I made jeans with that machine. Jeans. Oh, also, I will have all the pattern pieces linked in the description so you can make this mask. I feel like anybody who came here not for me, no one came here for me. Wow. Anybody who came here to learn how to make masks
is hating themselves right now.
They're absolutely hating themselves because it's me making masks while talking. And you don't want to see that. You want to see
masks.
So, sorry, but almost done cutting out the next piece. Super close. Why is it taking me this long to cut? Why? It's because I'm slow at everything I do. And that's the truth. Now we have all of our pieces. We have everything we need. So now what you want to do is you want to take the right sides and make the right sides of the pieces face each other. Then they're going to go to your trusty sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, hot glue works. You can hand sew. You can use sewing glue. I don't have it because I don't take shortcuts. No, I'm actually, in all seriousness, these are the ones I'm making for other people. But when it comes to the ones that I'm making for my family. I'm sorry, guys, but I am going to use hot glue. No, maybe I won't. Yeah, I won't. Anyways, what you want to do now is take the right sides in, and I actually don't remember which sides are the right sides, but they're identical anyways, so I don't think it matters. And you want to sew all along like that curve. I'm gonna go sew this. I'm not gonna take you with me because I tend to get angry when I sew. Like if I have technical difficulties again, which I think I will.
I will.
Anyways, I will get angry. It's too early in my YouTube career for you guys to see
My rage.
Not yet. It's like a relationship. Like you don't want them to see your bad side yet, and I don't want you guys to see my bad side yet. So we're actually just not gonna show you me at the sewing machine because that is where the worst parts of me come out. So, be right back when it's all done.
A few moments later.
Technical difficulties arose, and I actually wanted to show you. So I just don't understand how that happened. If you know anything about sewing, if you literally know anything about life, if you know anything at all, if you have an IQ, if you've existed in this world, you know that that's not supposed to happen. So how did it happen? How? How? I don't want to talk about it. Okay, I'm back. It actually went better than I thought. So I'm impressed with that. You have to do that to both of the parts that you cut out, which I've only done it, like the lining and the mask part. So you have to do it to both. And after you do that, what you have to do is you have to, oh wow, I got really close to seam allowance. You have to, I don't know if you can see this literally at all, but you have to take this and just kind of, okay, you can't see it. You have to cut little like ridges in it. And it's actually, I don't think it's important. It's just, it was in the instructions, but I don't think it matters now that I'm thinking about it. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so now we're going to do the exact same thing to the other pieces. I'll be back after I'm done, and then we can move on. Would you believe that that took only one try? Because I wouldn't believe that. Next. What you do next is you take both of the right sides of the mask. So this would be the wrong side. It has the... Anyways, you take both the right sides of the mask and you line up the seams. Like so. And then you pin it as if you were going to sew it because you will be sewing it. Secret, you're going to be sewing it. Or you're going to be gluing it, whatever your preference is. That's what you'll be doing. So now that's what I'm doing. I'm pinning it. And this is the process. This is the part that I was stuck on for what seemed like forever for the other mask. I was stuck on it for ages. So I'm just pinning it right now. And again, I'm very sorry that you can't see what I'm doing, but so right now I am actually pinning the right sides together, as I said before. You want to pin it like this. You see that? Let's put it on. Aww. Okay, pin it like that, and then you're going to sew the top and the bottom together. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so that actually went kind of smoothly. My sewing machine was kind of making some clunking noises at one point, and I just ignored it because I just didn't want to address it, and it was actually this. That's what was happening, but you know what? We're not gonna see that. It's gonna be on the inside. So what you do now, you may be thinking, why are you sewing it backwards? That's because we're gonna hide all the stitches. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna turn it inside out. Okay. And now, okay. So we have a few steps left, and I'm actually gonna take you guys over to the ground for this step. So let's go over there. So now we have to choose an elastic. So I chose red. These ones, they're like just regular elastic color because all the white ones were like really stiff. Actually, what you're supposed to use is something like this, but mine's really thick, so how the heck is that supposed to... So, what I have to do now is fold the seam allowance in and then fold it over, and then over again. And so right, you get the idea. And so right there. Oh my god, that was not easy. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do that first. But that's if you're using like elastic so you can like sew together like a proper elastic like this, which is too thick. So what I'm doing is I am placing this inside first and then sewing. So I'll show you what it's, that's like the last step. So I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Oh my god. Okay. Cute. Also, at one point when I was sewing, like, it just kept stopping, like my needle was getting stuck. And as per usual, I ignored it because I just didn't want to address the problem. Turns out that was the problem. So that's fun. But yeah, that's all. If you came here to actually learn how to make a mask, well, I did teach you how to make a mask, but if you came here to learn how to make a mask and that's it, I apologize. I'm sorry because it took a lot longer than expected, and I talked about myself a lot, and you probably didn't care, and you probably clicked off. You're probably not here anymore. But anyways, this is kind of cozy. Kind of keeps my face warm. Like, these would have been really handy in the winter. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, which you probably haven't, but you should. Because I promise you, this video feels more entertaining, and I feel like I was more myself than the first video. So I can promise you the videos are only going up from here. So if you thought this was decent, then it's still getting
Better.
That's something to think about. Please subscribe. Peace out for now. Yeah.